Hi guys, welcome back to Blockchainplus, your go-to channel for smart investment and passive income strategies. In today's video, I'll be showing you the 5 top dividend-paying stocks that you can invest in and earn consistent passive incomes even while you are asleep. Now, if you're looking to generate regular income from your investments, then this video is for you. And be sure to watch this video to the end because even one of the ones I'll be mentioning in this video pays you every single month. Now, if this sounds like what you will love and be interested in, let's dive into the video. Alright, before I go ahead to show you these 5 top dividend paying stocks, please do well to subscribe to this channel and also turn on your bell notification icon so that you'll be in the know when I drop this kind of valuable videos. Alright, like I said, I'll be showing you the top 5 dividend paying stocks for passive incomes in the US. So these are passive incomes that you can invest in and earn even while you are asleep. But before I go ahead and show you, let's first of all look at what dividend paying stocks are. So what are dividend paying stocks? A dividend is simply a payout that companies makes to their shareholders. Basically, it is a portion of the company's profits that they return to you. But for them to return this profit to you, you must be an investor or a shareholder in the company. Now, the dividend yield is a percentage of your investment you get paid out annually. Some pay out annually, some pay out quarterly, some pay out monthly. And in this video, I'll be showing you those that pay out quarterly and those that pay out annually and also monthly. Right? So be sure to watch this video to the end so that you will understand each and every one of them. Now, the reason why people invest in dividends are simple. One, they want regular income stream. Two, they want potential long-term growth in their money. And then thirdly, they want a way to reduce overall risk of their invested capital. Unlike when you're investing in forex, crypto, or any other investment, these are low potential risk investments. Now that you understand what dividend paying stocks are, let's explore the 5 that I have been talking about. So the first on my list is Johnson and Johnson. Now Johnson and Johnson comes with the ticker J&J. Now Johnson and Johnson is a healthcare company with a dividend yield of around 2.7% to 3.09% per annum. So that is what they pay out per annum, depending on the kind of investment anyway. This stock has a history of paying consistent dividend and has a strong track record of raising the dividend for over 60 years, which is a very strong one. And if you want reliability in your passive income portfolio, then Johnson & Johnson is a blue chip stock worth holding. The second on my list is Procter & Gamble with a ticker PG. So Procter & Gamble, simply known as P&G, is a consumer goods company. This company are behind every product like the Tide, Oral-B, and Gillette that you see around, and they have increased dividends for the past 65 straight years, which makes them reliable and also strong. Their payout though is low, but because of their reliability, people tend to invest more in them. Their payout is usually around 2.5% to 2.67% yearly. Like I said, this company has paid and raised dividend for the past 50 years consecutively, making them one of the dividend kings in the dividend stock market. So if you're looking for reliability, P&G is another good one that you can also invest in and have peace of mind. Now let's look at the third one on my list. So I can't actually do this video without talking about Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is another great one and is the third on our list with the ticker KO. So Coca-Cola, as we all know already, is a beverage company with a dividend yield of around 2.95 to 3.1%. It's actually not too high, but it's a good one because your investment is kind of reliable and you can have peace of mind when you invest in Coca-Cola. This stock has a history of paying consistent dividends, and they have been paying dividends since 1920. So you can see how long they have been in the market and have been raising them for the past 60 years. So they have also been raising their dividends for the past 60 years, which makes them very, very strong and reliable for those who want to invest with peace of mind. So like I said, KO is a timeless income stock that delivers both stability and consistency. So if you want to invest with peace of mind, Coca-Cola is another great place to invest your money in. And by the way, before I go ahead to show you the fourth and the fifth one on this list, I want you to understand that this is not in any way a financial advice. So everything I do here or I say here is purely for informational and educational purpose only. Before you go ahead to invest in any of these investment package, please do well to consult your financial advisor or do your due research before you actually invest in them. So let's go ahead to see the fourth one on my list. Right, we all know AT&T, right, with the ticker T. So AT&T is a telecom company with a dividend yield of around 3.96% to 5.3%. Actually, this tends to be the highest dividend yield in this list. However, the stock had some volatility in the past, so you should be sure to research and make sure you are comfortable with it before investing. Although AT&T still generates strong cash flow, which supports a dividend, just make sure you monitor any changes in their business performance or any spike in their business performance before you invest. So now that we have seen the fourth on my list, now let's look at the last or the fifth on my list. Now this fifth is actually the one that pays you monthly. So let's look at them together. So if you look at this list has been a diversified portfolio of telecom, beverage, and now we're talking about what? Real estate. So Realtor income with a ticker O is into real estate sector, and this rental income actually tends to be the game changer in the dividend world because of their monthly payouts. And like I said, it's a real estate investment trust with around 4.7% to 5.58% annual yield, and it pays monthly, which is the sweet part of it. So like I said, this is the one that actually pays monthly, so you can actually be earning every month while you are doing nothing, just making your money work for you. Yes, every single month you will see income hitting your bank account. That is why this one is called the monthly dividend company. So if you want a dividend company that pays you every month, then this one is the right choice for you. Now that we have seen the five dividend paying stocks that we can invest in, before we go ahead to start investing, let us look at some investment tips and risk management. So how to invest in dividend stocks. Now, when investing in dividend paying stocks, it's essential to have a solid investment strategy because that is what will make you become successful overall. Now, the first one is diversify portfolio. If you see in this portfolio so far, we've had cross sectors. We've have sectors from beverage, from real estate, from telecom company, and that is how you should actually diversify your portfolio. Cut across different sectors so that you are not stuck in one particular sector. And also, it's wise for you to reinvest in dividend through DRIP, dividend reinvestment plan. In that way, you know that your money keeps working for you even without you doing anything. And finally, focus on dividend aristocrats. Now, these dividend aristocrats are companies with 25 plus years of dividend increases. And good enough, the five that I mentioned in this list have 50 plus years of dividend increase. So that is what we should be focusing on. Do not go anywhere below 25. Now that you have seen how to invest or the investment strategies, let's look at some risk management tips to apply before we invest. So here are some risk management tips to help you avoid losses of your investments or capital. Number one, always research a company's financial health, payout ratio, and earning history. This is very, very important. Number two, watch out for unsustainable yield. A high yield dividend doesn't always mean the investment is safe, right? So watch out for this unsustainable yields. And finally, most importantly, never invest all your money in one stock or sector. So always diversify your portfolio so that way your portfolio is healthy and you have peace of mind. Well, I hope you enjoyed this particular video and you actually got something from it. See, investing in top dividend paying stocks in the US can be very great way to generate passive income, and it can also be very, very rewarding if you understand what you are doing. Now, in this video, I have covered the top 5 to consider and provided some investment tips to help you get started. So if you're interested in learning more about investments and building a passive income portfolio, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I drop valuable videos like this. Well, I just shared this 5 with you, but I know that most of you also have others that you've been eyeing or you've been researching on. So if you've got any favorite dividend stock, just drop it in the comment section below, because I would also love to hear from you and know what you're investing in as well. Always, always, always remember to do your own research and consult with your financial advisor before making any investment decision. This is very, very important. Alright guys, I hope this video has been helpful to you. Till I come your way again, remain blessed.